You also. Take off your glasses.
But seriously, guys, how do you feel, Johnny, that the trip is coming to an end?
It's sad, man. But as of now, I'm still not feeling like the trip is end. Maybe in Calcutta I'll feel it.
You mean once you can sense the heat?
Yeah. As of now, I'm still happy here.
Why are those guys going outside?
I can't see the jeep. The car.
Maybe he left us and went. He'll sell all our stuff. Joshua,
Yeah, man.
tell me, man, how does it feel now?
He's disappointing though.
Disappointing.
Yeah.
You mean the trip was a failure?
The trip was so awesome. Now going back to the shit. And
I think I'll mark my territory in this.
the only thing good about this is now that we can talk about this for a few more years to come.
Few more years. I was thinking about like months.
You never know, man.
Meanwhile,
Meanwhile, you can just focus on the territorial marking.
Rahul, how do you feel, man?
Dude, I feel
mean,
awesome about the trip.
But I feel something that your paunch is coming out, man.
Oh, yeah, man. Look at
It is because of the awesome food I had, man. The really lovely vegetarian food.
he's being very sarcastic.
And yes, you would like to thank Rahul Rishi for donating his non-veg momo to
Exactly, yeah. I should get an award for that, man.
us. Very kind.
I think the best part of the trip would be playing cricket at the top. 14,500 feet. And we won by 2-1.
Yeah.
And this fucker is peeing all over the place.
Let him pay, man. Don't.
I'll also do that.
And this moment shall be remembered forever as Johnny marks his territory in Assam. A disgusting video, but still, man, it's okay. He's down, man.
They are walking there now, like.
Huh?
And Josh also lets a few drops down
Yeah, this one, man.
from the
Oh,
cobweb.
these trees.
Yeah.
No idea.
Look at this flag, man. The massive.
You want to like pee as well and hold it.
No, I'm done. And Rahul Rishi also lets out this stream of glory.
One overaction thing we did in the whole trip is use this sanitizer shit.
Oh, the sanitizer, yeah.
It's never been done before.
I think if you could have done it's fine because you were like dying and stuff. But I think
everybody
like,
is like
Johnny using sanitizer is
everyone's like, yeah, can we
such a
use
disgrace. And yes, let's have a view of the mountains, the beautiful clouds.
Yeah,
As you can see, 6 guys with no chicks coming here. It's
You
like,
don't need, man.
yeah, but still no. Look at the clouds and I won't look into your eyes and say, Joshua, that's such a beautiful sight. It is a beautiful sight, by the way. Yeah.
My people have already come here and marked their territory.
Actually, the bongs have written that.
This
See?
is Ram Narayan
It's
Ram.
written by a bong.
Yes.
Man.
If you go and smell, you will find that our people are like.
1,500 years.
all over.
1,500 years after the Christians came and took over this place, the Hindus have
Johnny, what
left
is
their
the
mark.
best moment
Which
of
is
yours
okay.
on the trip, man?
Best moment?
As in, like, what one thing that you like enjoy the most among all? If you have to pick one, that is.
Oh.
You can think. What are you? You?
I think it's that whole trip going. You know that once we hit what's that? Tezpur? No, Tawang. And we went to we played cricket. Plus we saw that awesome lake. And plus we saw and plus the next day we went and stepped into China.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Those 2 days and all the chaos and trying to get the certificates. I mean get the permits and all that shit.
Right.
That all that nonsense and it all fell in place at the moment. I mean at last moment.
And I took 4 wickets, man, in the last match.
Oh yeah, and I was an excellent wicketkeeper, man.
And I bowled the maximum number of wides, man.
You were the yeah.
I took a wicket.
Had they
That
kept
was my amazing catch, man.
That was his catch.
yeah, good catch also.
Hit a 6.
Yeah.
Scored 12.
No, I think
The second
the
match-
most crucial match was Johnny's 4 runs, the last ball.
Oh,
and
and
4 runs.
we have a situation. Our driver is missing.
Damn it.
He got
But I got my camera with me, so I don't care.
At 15,000 feet, he ran 4 runs.
Who Johnny ran 4 runs?
Yeah.
Yes, that's
Sacrificed his
energy.
ass for that.
Yeah.
And won the match by how many runs? 2 runs, no?
Yeah, 2 runs.
Yeah, that is so crucial, man.
And let's see, the one and only Tamilian boy who reads
Tamilian boy found one guy, the guy over there in 14,000 feet.
14,000. Abba,
Abba,
Macha.
Cafe. San Francisco.
how does it feel to like come to the end of the trip, man?
Since I've lost my wallet along with the driver and the car, I don't feel too good about it.
That's okay. I think
That makes me feel more happy.
so that we can stay here.
Yeah. That's why you have a small bag and you keep your stuff here. We always roam around.
But
Experience from the northeast,
Yeah.
we get mugged, then happens. So now we got mugged. back.
yes, no, we did get threatened and all at the border. Okay.
Is that?
The only thing remaining is going to Nagaland with the beer bottle.
And our guys come back.
With a beer bottle, man. Johnny didn't give us that experience. Alpha male did not ensure
That's
that
the one and only Mr. Kishore Singer.
That was all
That's
your
personal.
personal thing.
But we got to tell, so Mocha, now that your bag and everything is back and you're feeling more comfortable,
Yeah.
what would be like the defining moment of the trip? What you felt was like the greatest
Defining
thing?
moment. The
Meeting a Mocha at 18,000 feet.
no, the first ball wicket at 14,615 feet.
We'll switch after lunch.
Mookie, share a bat.
Where do you want to sit? Where do you want to sit? That's a nice question. Both of you are asking.
I'll sit here for half an hour.
Okay.
All right. Oh yeah, yeah. Okay. One second. Let's pause. And we are on. Yes, Mocha.
Yeah, the wicket and the Bumla axis point.
Stepping into China for the second time, you mean?
Yeah,
This is without a visa.
without the visa, yeah.
Would you boys like to roll down the windows a bit?
Yeah, roll down the window.
That's about it, man. And then I enjoyed those lottery games with those shooting stuff.
What game?
You did not shoot anything, man.
I shot them shooting it, man.
Ah, you shot them shooting it. Ah, that
Yeah.
is cool. Then that's okay. Babu.
Oh, and then getting drunk.
Wait, we'll get back. Oh, shit, that's...
That's like awesome,
Yeah,
man.
yeah, we'll get back to you, man. Babu, how does it feel, man, to come to the end of the trip?
Dude, the women over here are so hot, man.
And that makes you feel good?
Yeah, that makes me feel so awesome, but I'm just sad I'm going back.
Yeah, that's pretty
Yeah.
sad.
Unfortunately. So wait, what's the question?
What's the feeling now, man, that you're leaving all this and going back to Hyderabad, to the
I
cave?
left my heart in Shillong. No, I'll say Shillong. You can have, anywhere.
And what
I'm
about...
with Rahul Rishi on that. I left my heart in Tawang.
And what about, like, the best moment of the trip, man? What...
When I hit 3 sixes
Oh yeah, man.
consecutively,
Good.
Oh.
it made me feel so good,
It's the
I was
bowling
so
that
happy.
it's
It's the bowling,
that
man.
won the
Batting,
match.
it's the
man.
runs which got us
Dude,
to that place.
my bowling was so good in the second match.
This was how united a team we are.
One second. In second match, they need 3 runs to win from 1 over. It's
The
my
second
defining
match-
bowling.
In the
man.
second match, Johnny
2
ran
Yorker,
4
2
runs
wickets.
on the last ball.
If I didn't bowl the penultimate over correctly,
Dude, no, 3
you
runs,
wouldn't have
1
got a
over,
chance
man.
to bowl, man.
Okay, this is about Muki's best time.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
By the way, I frustrated the batsman in the last game.
Wait, what?
What's the best? The best? Your sixes were the best moments.
The best time was when I met Surinder Singh and he was like, जब मैं हैदराबाद आऊँगा, I'll
Oh,
call you up.
Baji.
I'm like, yes, sure, dude, why not? I made new contacts. I met a lot of people. Very happy. I can die in peace now.
I think I have so many guys in this week. Never before.
How many guys you mean?
That explains the
guys.
cobweb.
This trip,
At least like 15 hugs, man.
Oh,
there's a
yeah.
scope of losing the cobweb now.
Yeah, army style.
Yeah.
Alright, now myself, like, so how does it feel? Well, yeah, it's like pretty sad to be leaving all this and going back to Hyderabad. Which is,
Sounds like some captain of the aircraft.
yeah, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are leaving what's this, Assam and Balakpong, and we are heading straight to where are we heading to? Guwahati. Wait a minute, man. The trip is gonna take us roughly 3 hours or so, or 6 hours. But sit back, relax, just watch the landslides and the heavy rains.
there is a Bakri.
And we yeah, but yeah, it feels really bad going back to that.
Whatever happens, we should not forget the 2 memorable innings by Lava D'Souza
Thank you.
and the Tamilian Vignesh Anand. 2 quarter centuries each, which helped us.
Just to associate yourself,
My
you're
defining moment,
clicking
yeah.
on him.
I think the most defining moment of the whole series was Johnny running those 4 runs.
Yeah.
If he did not run those 4 runs, we would have lost the match. We would have not come back to play.
Exactly.
But your bowlers would have been sucking your own thing.
But I think it's all about the opening batsman, Mr. Lava D'Souza.
Yeah.
Dude, it's all about the captain, man.
I know I'm a good captain. I know I'm a good captain.
I was the captain of the team.
Who was the captain, man?
I was
captain. There was no captain.
That's the moment.
Yeah, Johnny was the umpire, which helped us win
Yeah.
more runs, get more wides.
Yeah. But yeah, it's my amazing
And
25.
not to forget,
Hey, one
Josh
second,
was
let him
umpiring 2 free hits,
my
which I
moment-
made full use of.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, and yes, playing at 80,000. Wait, I'm talking. Playing at 80,000 feet and scoring 25 plus.
Mookie cleaning glass is the defining moment of this trip.
Yeah.
Robo-backs.
And Mookie cleaning his glasses on the trip, not even cleaning in Hyderabad, he comes all the way here and then realizes that his glasses are dirty. Those are like the good moments.
Okay, these are the good moments, and what should have happened did not happen is like, no. Shillong. What I say?
Beer bottle and a
Beer
jeans.
bottle and jeans.
Hold it
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Because the speaker is down.
You couldn't gift anyone a beer bottle and jeans. Those are like.
But Shillong women are so freaking hot. You know.
Yeah, man. We're gonna come back to Nagaland with the